Let's try white sauce pasta. Add spices to chicken pieces and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Simply boil pasta by adding salt and oil to it. Grease the pan with some oil and place marinated chicken pieces and cover it for 5 to 8 minutes. Flip the sides and set aside. Now to assemble all things, take some butter in the pan and add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and stir carefully. Add milk to it and gradually stir to avoid any lumps. Add chili flakes, black pepper, chicken powder, and some salt to taste. Add boiled pasta to it when it reaches a thicker consistency. Add some sliced capsicum and cook for 2 minutes. And here the white sauce pasta is ready. Serve it with chicken slices. Try ready to fry Golgappa pack, and the best part is that it has its own special spice pack that tastes so well. Fry and crack it as per your convenience and stuff it with finely chopped boiled potatoes, tomatoes, onions, boiled chickpeas, tamarind sauce, curd, and sprinkle some coriander leaves, spice, and special nimco to it. And repeat the process for all. It looks so beautiful and tastes yum. Must try and enjoy this tasty food. Let's try tricolor pasta. The colors are so bright. Simply boil the pasta, pour some oil in the pan, add some chopped onions and tomatoes, sprinkle some chili powder and paprika powder, some black pepper and salt to taste. Cover for 2 minutes and add boiled pasta to it. Cheese lover can add cheese as well, but it's optional. To present well, you can garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves, chili flakes, and some oregano. And it turns out so good. Let's make tamarind sauce. Take 3 cups of water and add 1 cup tamarind into it. Cook till you get all the seeds out of tamarind. Press and run it through a sieve to have a concentrate. Put this liquid back and add 6 tablespoons sugar according to your taste, half tablespoon salt, black pepper, and chili powder to it. Cook till thick consistency and allow it to cool and serve. When it comes out, it's so good.